Yo, I'm Vast Air, like. I'm Vast Air, like. What? Still copy. Yo, Cannibal O, handle you slow, it's like mechanical. My arm will slap you and control your soul. What happened? I'm Vast Air, the words in the air clapping. Applaud, maybe. MC, shady, not slim though. 360 pounds, a full circle, fat, I hurt you. Yo, what you know about the freestyle rhyme? What you know about putting the sentence together on time? What you know about the lyrics that uplift spirits? And yo, what's the deal? I'm getting open right now. I'm getting, copy forever. Yo, spitting the non-writtens. What's the deal? Hit 'em up one time.
Killing kittens.
I possess what you stupid motherfuckers need to get. If it ain't megahertz or Weatherman, it's a piece of shit. The mic's the worst solution to evenness, cause you'll go through twice the persecution Jesus did. I'll step on stage in a black cape with a whack rhyme about your fat date and how I met your mommy on the chat line. This fool Nelson will put you in the full Nelson. Leave you laying face down and your stool's out and 1,000 of your fans ready to kill me. And tell the sound man if he wants to jump in, he could feel free. Instead of threats in your face, I sprayed your ass to hell, blast myself and resurrected a day later. So drop the mic this instant, pocket knife through the throats of those that commit copyright infringement. A sick, twisted vengeance. I keep crapping on opponents and sleep on more rappers than the homeless. Deliver constant misery. I don't spit positivity. I spit on positivity and send fakes to a grim fate. Labels can drop me, I don't give a shit. I'm in it to vent hate. If they're dumb enough to sign me, great. Got a list of 100 things I hate, and you're number 1 through 98. If you hear an R&B bitch singing on my tape, it's cause she got a gallon of my semen clinging to her face. Copyright, pass the motherfucking mic to LP Ribbit tonight.
Yo, Emerson, Lake and Palmer's like Pavlov's come back. When I ring bells, get prepared to react. Yo, where my dogs at? Ring, 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 ring. Come and get the food, stupid. From the blackout historian with the highest count of mitochondrions. The GED scholar. The off the top of the Metroid metropolis. Occupants breathe art, not dollars. And words create a trachea disturbance like Jake Steed to the throat box with robotic and monotone dogs holler. With sympathetic words that come straight off my indelible tongue. Might stung one bee sting simply. Motherfuckers get simple when they walk into the temple. My temples ache with the broken sound boxes or throat lorax that swoops down. My weatherman click, stick shit into little bitches. Into their stomachs like plummet. Into that, feed on that, take that. Here's your little bitchy rim shot. Stab him through the nipples. Off the top of the dome, El Dash Producto. Float off the top of the dome like a madman drunk off Ripple. Even if I break it down to the last fractal component, motherfuckers don't own this. My style is independent, freak nasty, off the top of the dome bastard. El Dash Producto has it. Anybody who steps into the cipher is like Last Kid, Time Bandit, 4 midgets jumping through a portal. Yo, peace to my man Bortle. At home, cannibal ox might roam. It's just a cellular beaming through the most majestic. Off the top of the dome, I see her flat-chested with no type of spinal column. Yo, my rhyme will holler at motherfuckers who think that raucous is like the holiest tabernacle. My style will break you down into your last fractal. EL-Producto and battle you anytime. You've got an internet fan base, how proud I am of you. Please, my crew will step on your knees and break it down until you're handicapped. Derailed, my style is not failed, it's more like just to be proven. El Dash Producto, keep it moving. Pass it to the left, I'm not bruising, I'm slicing. And hear me philiacs, yo, they drop like Mike Tyson in an insanity plea. Taking too much Xanax, my motherfuckers got skills like, yo, Amex, American Express. Charge it, don't pay the bill. We'll start an independent film company, that's ill. Yo, El Dash Producto never likes to spill the wax shit off the top of the dome. Take it off, it's like dead prophylactic. Spill with a million. Yo, baby sperm, Maximilian, El Dash Producto, Skillion. Just ate a bagel with cream cheese and scallions. My medallion is not made of metal or platinum, it's made of wood. Plus my gold fronts taste good when they rot out slowly. You don't know me, homie. Pass it to the left to Camus. Yo, what you got?
Yo, check it out. The one for the trouble, two for the threesome, four for the fours and the hooker hoes. Lord said take them and I take off their toes and I might suck them if it got chocolate chips on them. Rock from here to I don't know. I told Nate I don't vote for him cause I'm a Harlem nigga. Dope King, rock this shit. This beat is ill. Kill him and I might stab him in the nipple. A bitch with big titties and no navel. I'ma do what I got to do. Rock with the flow, comic book shit. Yo, kid, get on the flow.
I have a strange theory that only insane him and mudslingers clutch their necks, mic with nub fingers. Your hard cold, your smart flow with shows flaws, leave you on the middle of a flaming asteroid with the ends of your forms looking like some fucking coleslaw. Spread germ, it's sweet, nigga. Pissing on kids at the show and make the street sicker. A valid effort, I still make you stand by and put your milkmans over a pilot and you can watch his hand fry. He's got the high hand now, nigga, no lie. Who said it isn't? They're dead wrong. The mics can transmit to a mic and shove it to two bones in your dead arm. A time life, the kind like me is uncommon. Out it in a sunspot on the sun service. Tails up, ever all ass, and it's a gun's purpose. They get mad and then spit sperm to the worthless. Thus you leave a body with no bones in it. Your mouth will get shut with chicken wine sold in it. You try to force full front bold in it. Whip out the toes to leave your dome in it, nigga, for sure. And make it so it's the doctor's orders to cut corners. Found out all the appendages and short pencil pointers. The superhuman built with super movements. Take a shit on the earth and be back for lunch before you make improvements. Mother.
Fucker. Yo. Kamu. Megahertz. Yo, I'm Vast Air. Always hurts when I finesse on the mic. It hurts. Yo, it's like this. Put a word together to sound clever. My light beams come out of the mouth and hurt ya. Anatomy structure, the wind flucture, capacitate. Why wait to decapitate anyone in front of me? Entering the cipher, that's a sin to me. When the lyrics is whack, lyrics is weak, beats is weak. Tap the tape, dap the beat. Fall apart with the deal, no art. I'm Vast Air, destroy all counterparts, I rip them apart. Yo, what's the deal? I'm freestyling, I'm high right now, I'm wildin'. It's like, you know you gayer than Cisco out in San Francisco with the remix Thong Song and Disco. Yo, what's the deal with that? Yo, I'm Vast Air, shatter cataracts. It's like, yo, and you gotta have it. I'm Vast Air, yo, copy, get on the mic, back and forth.
I'll take your bittens, recite them and battle you with them fucking crab rats. I give a shout out to Prism, my man out in Columbus. You crowds try to battle me, you're the dumbest off the top. I freak it off the top quite often. When I rock the mic, you're in a coffin. You all soft and shit, get off the dick like Can Knock first single. I make the fucking verse tingle when my shit hits you and split you in the center of the head. Beware, the motherfucking man rocks the mic without a care. Shock a dyke without a stare. Stick my dick right in the fucking throw it and make a like men. Strike like lightning. My man LB on the right, Kamuteo on the left. My freestyle is off the fucking hinges. Your motherfucking mom is in the fridge and she's 240 tons already now. 40's hard.
Like Emerson Lake Palmer, aka Dirty Laura, spray harder. What a marvelous martyr maker. 50 gig tone, hold old dusty digital makeup. Melt with me slow, it is round technical feedback, read back, yo. The sound the hardest. Yo, the hardest, the heartless harvest, the farthest Fahrenheit allotted, the hot shit hopped up and shifty, shit sickly, monster, ancient makeshift, ministry mic on, nervous slur, bomb, teleprompter, sights on, laser head looks like a linguist, fighter lights flurry down, rounds like a ration, allied force stranded like a lot of the bugs and disbanded, better bring the band-aids, hustle shit, fantasy, gun talk, erotic logic, rock, out of boxes, dead hug, thug, slug metal like molten. DE fall, thug crawl back in the ocean. Woo! Happy Horatio choke on broke potion. Broken, most potent afloat. Flank the facts. Face the fucks with flak jacket. Jack of all trade. Embargoes faded like 88 Kane fashion. I'm back like crackers. Mongoloid melody trap backwards. Broken into fragments. with turpentine flows that broke down biblical tablets. Broken down handicapped cats leaving traction. The breath of sick death leave a chest convex with no F. 6 steps to infected waste container misery. Fat thighs chafe in the summer from humidity. Humid, unhuman. Praise a bloom tulip. Caught between animal thoughts and what was taught by Confucius. B-boy lucid. Ugly motherfucker for faces of art addicts. Just for my people. Persecute, plagiarist, dangerous at a close range. Those brains close to the range. Rope frames for the celebrity roast. Most celebrity aspirations get tossed in the moat with the mackerel. Actual track catapult. Corpses act animate. Whack around the backyard, munching on brain cabinets. Sad but erratic. Irregular predator with bad brain magic. Magic is a Siegfried and Roy Boy special. Battered a tapestry with bruises. Born a leak from Alpine box and hot cruiser. Straight bruiser. With chainmail coats and bulletproof choke is the most you can hope. Don't even get half choke. It's half a joke. I'm animate. AWOL to the last atom. Active axe handler. Handle hurt merchandise flirt. With a nerd word device devise. First prioritize. Tie the word commando kids rise. Show me those New York eyes. Isolation eats at the face of phrase biters. Bite, bleak, void. Small world, big noise. Swallow my void. Wallow with toys. Hollow metal slugs penetrated. Just demonstrated. Pass it to the left, yo, rape it.
Yo, at first you don't succeed, try again. Yo, step up to the mic and die again. This is the next lifetime and you won the battle. Either you like reincarnation or the smell of carnation. Samples the flesh and the beats the skeleton. You got beef, but there's worms in your Wellington. Put a hole in your skull, extract the gelatin. Oh my God, said a word. Yo, first you don't succeed, try again. Yo, step up to the mic, die. This is the next lifetime. You won the battle. Either you like reincarnation or the smell of carnation. Samples the flesh and the beats the skeleton. You got beef, but there's worms in your Wellington. Put a hole in your skull, extract the gelatin. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm vast air, my rhymes is like a ride. And when I forget the paragraph, I make the gods in the atmosphere laugh. Because they're like the, oh my goodness, the balance beam of reality, insanity. Bounce back and forth. Oh my God, my rhyme is a cloth. Or maybe it's similar to time and it's off. Or what happened? Oh my God, and I'm clapping down the block, the 4-5, and you yapping. I'm running, the police is after me. Yo, slipped on the donut. I said, oh what? Jumped over the train station, brain racing. Saw the door open. Oh my goodness, the clue fell off and broken. Yo, copy. Yo, the mic, kaboom, with the deal,
Yo. I break both of your arms if you try to hold on and spit an iceberg with words. You better put a coat on, cause I'm controlling the session. Lower your weapons, or I'll be forced to throw my dick down your throat and piss on your smaller intestines. I'm far from calm. All in arms with no effort, split the equator in half and throw 7 planets in the road that would crack the walls of heaven. And with a fucking pistol, I leave a nigga in pieces and make it so you can't tell where the face starts and where the feet ends. The back floor can't that'll spark shit. Get mad then, whip your fucking ass with a park bench. They got some dose, I got some blow. That's them, they gotta know me, I gotta be known. And if not, I make them suck my dick on the spot and send my DNA to government scientists. I gotta be cloned, cause I'm too futuristic for the few to miss it. And your legs shooting the gift like you missed Christmas. And fuck a player, and this nigga man dance and get crushed inside of my hands and shit that runs deep like the Grand Canyon. This is hell, and I'm the gatekeeper. And you'll get off the hook if I decide to pull you off this meat cleaver. Call me out of my job and then you call off your half-handed old steel so I can saw your other hand off. What?
Yo, your man's off, you all soft. Sucking the fucking dick of the man. The veteran comes and I shove you in the fair fucking grill with a screwdriver. Now tell me who's liable. Copyright #1 survivor when I come and slap your fucking grill in the face. Copyright Infinite Mike, Lieutenant will win the fucking race whether I'm first or last. My verse will blast, put you in a hearse, a casket. This gets drastic. This is the Mike maneuver, motherfucking brain eater. The computer regenerator come to rock your fucking brain and take your fucking neck. Take your fucking chain, give it to you back for respect. I pass it off, no wait, I fucking Indian give it. When I grab the microphone, I never rip it off. It's opposite day, I'm dropping shit, hey. The way I drop this topic, maybe fiber optic. Wait, let me see if cops can catch the motherfucker in the red Explorer. You fucking whore just suck me off on the corner of 125. I'm too live for you fucking crews with a job. I don't wanna pass it that. I'm gonna take this fucking mic and stick it in your larynx and stick you in a basket. Fuck you, motherfuckers. Truck jewels is what I'm rocking. Your motherfucking whole crew, they be clocking. Got by an infinite mic, lieutenant will sock you in your fucking face. Cause you know I got the whole crew. Jock whoever is fucking better than God. Forever it's on. Copyright Infinite Dawn. I drink the fucking whiskey. Take your fucking mom and fuck her up the ass because the bitch is shifty. She gave me a gift, it's not splifted. Copyright Infinite Mic Lieutenant will strike you and then I'll fight you with a fucking stare. Motherfuck you and whoever cares, cause I don't. Piece of your kind, the motor mouth, I know your cloud is nothing. It's about to speck the dust. I'm coming bringing this exodus. Forever you trust, I'll leave you with motherfucking leather and rust or pleather. You can't come clever, it's copyright Infinite Mic Lieutenant will fuck you up in the fucking face. Fuck your whole crew, they are a disgrace. When I rip it off the dome, you know this is my place. I own this whole fucking planet, you can't understand it. It's fucking granted, don't take it for granted. When I rock the mic, I shock your life. Motherfucker, suck you in the fucking dick.
Yeah.
Suck your fucking mom, I suck your mom's clit. Bitches all wanna suck the fucking balls. I pass it off to LP,
Yeah.
come on kid, get
Oh
raw.
shit.
Copyright, no
You
flaws.
know this whole fucking world is filled with
yo.
amateurs. I've been rocking Bob Joseph. Yo, since he was best friends with Stretch. The first instrumental I rhymed off in his company was J. Rue the Damager.
Wow.
Come clean. Ever since then, my style has grown more mean and indecipherable. People act like I'm on some spacey shit, but I don't talk about space, I talk about erasing shit. Like bullshit Glock lyrics, bullshit gangsters, bullshit wannabe MC, storefront, buying gold front people. I don't even understand. Most people don't see this. Weatherman crew is an elitist. EL-Producto, I'm just a fetus, waiting to be born again, torn again, out of the womb, fear it. You can't steer that fucked up Suburban off the side of the road. El-Producto, jump on the wall like Toad, spit my tongue out. Yo, your pitch's fucking powers are weak like Storm in the movie. You don't move me, please. It's like y'all MCs is too wrapped up rapping about jacuzzis. This is not some bullshit. El-Producto pull switches like DJ Mr. Leonard is best. That cat can't test anybody, he's not a turntablist but an old-fashioned DJ. That's the way it goes with a CF, Indelible Squadron sound bombing. I said it before, but it's a catchphrase, catch it. Fast air on the side of the deck automatic.
Yo, time to let the verse spill out. You know Vass are ill out. Leave the crowd leaning like the Tower of Pisa. Or is it, another method to tease ya? I'm Vass Air, come with a metaphor or a simile to disassemble the raps, that engage. Oh no, it's like below 32 degrees, and why? I'll be shaking them off like leaves.
Hey yo, Vass, every MC out in the airway is fearing Cannibal Ox. The record is dropping soon, clear it up. People don't understand. Hip hop is stagnant, but about to be rearranged like the
It's like we gotta hit them up from the top, aerial view, bird's eye maybe. J Tredge built on that. I'm Vass Air, I might shatter your cataracts. The light be bright, MCs ain't tight. Pass it back to my man, Elmerson, Lake Palmer. The back and forth might harm ya.
Emerson, Lake Palmer, the back and forth might harm you. You're not a palm reader, you're just a silly two-seater sitting in a chair. It's the Jerry's kids trying to run a mile against this Olympian motherfucking taskmaster. Magnets on the end of my fingers, I might attract metal vinyl pieces. Motherfuckers follow Reese's Pieces up the stairs like E.T.
And I rip MCs up with my telekinesis. Yo, I'm tired of that. Yo, that's an old metaphor. Trying to bring it back to the 86 way when kids used to rap holding their elbows. I'm Vass Air. See me in Gazelles. Yo, rocking the bells, passing it to Lord Sear. Lord Sear.
Not the weatherman or the weather girls. I got tough flow to make it say, don't rock Jerry curls. A black for the rock. Underground hip hop, doing it over the tizzy top. Getting skull from this tracks that talk about bachelor party. I ain't got no money. The tip, everything is cool when I drink that Henny Rock. Make it get loose and make it don't stop. Underground to new wave and to pop. fuck direct effect. This reflect is direct to you all motherfucker sucker MCs that wanna battle the best, the hottest MC. Off of the top, been doing this since 93. I done one since 89 with Dapper Dan. Everything was all cool, my man. I had a suit that was better than yours. I never wear a zoot suit. Yo, you wanna battle for the best and prophecy and enemies. Fucking around with MCs that wanna fuck with these. 5'3", maybe 5'5", 250, and stay alive.
We step in a place like a pack of fucking psycho Paddington bears with dope cannibal oxys in our head and bloody hair standing up on the back of our neck. It's time to wreck and effect. It's the new Jack Swing, EL Dash, Producto,
The beat is loud.
Polymagnet, motherfuckers ain't, having it, copyright.
Fuck battle, competitors are sucking. Fuck dial America, I drive better when I'm drunk. I take your fucking punks, strip you. Motherfucker, you can't uplift the crew that comes to kick you in your fucking anal passage. You motherfuckers can't blast as fast as copyright, I come fast in. Drop motherfuckers down in Lake Placid. Copyright, chill with Cajun Cage, drink acid. Yo, I spit a motherfucking bar. Shoot your grandma, jump on stage, smash your guitar. You can't fuck with one bar. Copyright Infinite Mike, Lieutenant, a fucking psychopath. When I'm schizophrenic, dropping mics, LD back. Motherfucker, Cannibal Ox is coming, teach you math. My man Kamuteo spraying mayo on your ass and cat him on the mouth coming. Blast you from the past, yo.
I felt the sickness in my food sack at your exact point of entrance into the circle of life and it's disturbing me. So if I react with an acid, bells, please pardon that I'm an insect and I'm sensitive to radar and bitch threats. And you can explain to your collective, you got tossed off stage by overweight rapper who chain smokes cigarettes. And even Bobito knows that I'm not like on some bullshit. I pull it, the lever, sever the head, it's so clever. EL Dash Producto, it's like one time. Every rhyme is digital. I break it down simply but quite critical. Company flow is not some minimalistic bullshit. We pull it back into rock and roll levels. Bring the treble straight down. When the brace sound breaks each ear boxes, I'll smash your snot box and pass it off to the left. With one breath left, I'm running 500,000 miles, but I'm not even dead yet. EL Dash Producto, sweating off my brow. Cybernetic future, suck it, blow me.
I make you rhymes fear my newest steeds and time travel to battle pioneers that influence me. My mind is more shine than a diamond's core. If you ain't me, what the fuck you wasting your time rhyming for? And who's the bitch that couldn't prove his niche? Tried to double cross me and got nailed to a crucifix. If you got a crew, then the cat you losing with. Hack your hotmail, send a breakup letter to your bitch. Got balls are granted. Who won it first? I use all the planets as love beats for Mother Earth. This verse shows hate for each day the earth rotates. On tour, I fuck 20 sloths per state. My mind's a fort with knives at the core. Once you cross the threshold, you ain't finding a door. And I keep my promise. Copyright Infinite, pass the mic to Kamuteo. Now pay homage. Rip that shit, motherfucker, from Columbus to New York. I rock the mic, eat pork.
Yo, the deal.
Eat pork, y'all.
Eat pork.
We're eating pork.
We're eating pork.
Yo, when the brain was hacked, there was still strings attached. And my heart's pumping in blood, laced with glass. And the particles of glass and cake with crack. Chemical imbalance, I reached the end stages. Would inflict a sick pen, will leave the skin contagious. You didn't know my mind was made of impeccable levels of well-constructed mazes. With each inch made on earth, your breath is taken from your god-awful, horrible cadence. Still barking in the bed, witness the red. Satan's gambling with the chancellor to handle the death tickets. Cause Kamuteo gotta be 101% perfect. And you gotta be almost 203% certain that your body is built for stress. You control a body you get left and sucked into sudden death. Cause I'm like, sorta, when I hold a mic, satellites pick up my order.
Yo, everything was just fine. Kicking rhymes on the cheese line. In 6 minutes, Dougie Fresh humming bass lines. Give me some elbow room to spread my wings out. You know the air in the room about to clear out all doubt. Gain nothing but raw clout, you hate this. CP records are weightless, the contour is unseen. You can't trace this. Best to chill, dude. Catch a facelift, separate your body like the Iron Giant. Just before we, MCs record me. Oh my goodness, oh my glory. Vast air, freestyling again, no mercy. What happened? MCs on one knees, bowing to the master of the syndicate. Predicate, syntax, the breakbacks. Yo, don't edit it. Yo, I break MCs down with any compound. Yo, I was doing it. Yo, since 4th period before lunch in 9th grade, MCs that spit with ill blades. Yo, my poetry's similar to that. OX, unknown, Mike Flex. Oh, what's the deal, yo? I just drunk a 4-0. What's the deal, yo? Valentine.
Happy anniversary, Bobito.
Yo, peace to Bobito. You know what I'm saying?
10th anniversary.
It's like
Straight down.
kids might get sliced, fucking with professionals.
Radio program.
Yo. As I'm on the mic right now at this point, my voice is going through an MP3. Copy quick, burn it on CD, send it back to me so I can view the system.
Yo, as I sit on this mic, I see lots of vinyl around me and I like it. It brings back a vibe of interweavable musical motion. El-Dash Producto brings potion.
As you bring the potion, mission in motion, and I take my brain out and you'll jump across the table and jug me in the throat. Matter of fact, we speak you cold. We sit down, we give intermedium to most cats. Yo, we talking about that intermedium. You better get off the road before you get exploded. Dead with a piece of grenade. When I ride the microphone, I lay face down in a bout and a bullet of AIDS. It doesn't matter cause I'm nasty like that. I'll cut my hand off and give it back. I'll send it to my mom for a Christmas present. Matter of fact, I'll unleash a lesson. Matter of fact, you get imploded. Niggas are talking shit, but now you get exploded. Did I use that word before? Matter of fact, I'll explore your brain cavity. Matter of fact, splatter the whack. If you coming through, nigga, you get punched and get punched in the teeth into my fist lunge down your throat into your cavities. And matter of fact, it'll be disembowelment. I'm losing the shit, but I'll be back to hit quick. Hit your bitch with a dick over her lips. The bitch is getting all horny and shit. Nasty as hell. Pass it to L.
Pass it to L, yo. I confound station is LP, the only militant member of the Make-A-Wish Foundation. Similar to the dirty-ass bastard sitting in the alleyway, prone to masturbation. El-Dash Producto. Possibly a sensation, but more sincerely just a murder rap entertainer. I take like the easiest corn thug rhymes and turn them into the meat grinder. It might affect some feminists, but I'll take it out and press it up like the easiest soothing cloth to wear over piercing nipples and see the after effects ripple. I might pause for like 30 seconds and come back with the most entertaining rhyme that might wreck it. See, I've got more than just intelligible rhyme squadron busting. I've got flow.
I'm fast, yeah, let
combusting.
me thrust in. Spontaneous combustion. The vertebrae, words of slay. Any MC trying to compete with Pete and Vash Air in the cypher. Unknown, get hyper. 25,000 fans, where's your lighter? Ralph Nader, yo, I might graze ya with the verbal grenade. I slayed many MCs in my day. I'm Vash Air, represent Cannibal Ox. Say my name 15 times, blink my eyes and disappear. What happened to rapping? Putting words together and making people clapping. Yo, copy. Yo, what's the deal with the 4-bar? Back and forth.
Two
Yo,
types of MCs,
what?
those that wanna face me get hacked and fail, and those that have faced me in a way to rematch in hell. My vocal tones pipe bomb your face in. Hold your own, you have trouble holding conversations. Y'all left with little to no air. Duct tape your mouth, leave you months and down in the middle of nowhere. Shine like rays of sun, my brain's a gun. What you trying to say in 6 bars, I can explain in 1. It's obvious my score weighs a ton. Over 1 billion gigabytes I download information from. I'll pelt you clowns, or we can fuck plus timid. Then melt you down and reconstruct y'all in my image. I ain't spitting if the track ain't hard hitting. I don't care if Premier, Mutea, or Mozart did it. I'm deep with a fist full of satire. With this type of trajectory that makes heat-seeking missiles backfire. I show love to troops that I bomb while giving hugs to crews with nuclear arms. I'm like Chuck Manson on tape. My choruses are me giving my victims a chance to escape. The raw phantom with that of champion draws. Here to score your saw patterns with adamantium claws. My mic will make your nerves ache. Me coming off ain't the issue. I wasn't screwed on right in the first place. Yeah. Kyle, Weatherman. Can I?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Bobby.
Bobito. Can I get the last one?
Yeah.
Yo, what the deal?